Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build a clean, engaging slider section for your Shopify store. In this video, we start off over at a reference store to grab some design inspiration. Take a look to notice how it's laid out. They have their eye-catching headline and quote locked in place on the left side of the screen, while a carousel of images smoothly slides by on the right. It looks great, right? This is the exact layout we want to recreate for our own store. So we know exactly what settings we need to build it by using the Smind Sections app. Let's head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and open up the Smind Sections app. Click over to the Sections tab and select the slider section so we can browse the template, and you see we've already got the layout right there, and that's the one we need. Just go ahead and click the Install and Customize button to drop it right into your store. Once you're in the Shopify theme editor, scroll down your left-hand sidebar and click the Odd section. Type Slider into the search bar, pick that Slider 9.3 section we just grabbed. Now click on the New Slider section in the left sidebar, which opens up all your settings on the right. Go ahead and swap out that default text to update the heading and description fields to say exactly what you want. Then we don't need the button right here, and we're going to remove it. Scroll down that right panel to adjust the slider's behavior. You can toggle Auto Rotate Slides on if you want them to play automatically, and adjust the speed settings right below that. After that, decide how many items you want showing at once. Just adjust the columns on the desktop setting. Maybe drop it from 4 to 3 if you want larger images. And don't forget to set your columns on mobile so it looks great on mobile too. While you're setting up how many columns show on the screen, don't forget to look right below that at the Custom Gap section. This is crucial for giving your design some breathing room. You can use the pixel sliders for both Item Gap Desktop and Item Gap Mobile to control the exact amount of space between each image. Scroll down a bit more to Heading Block Settings, where you can position your text, top, mid, or bottom, and change the heading alignment also. Next, scroll down to the Media section settings. First, use the Media Ratio dropdown to decide the shape of your images, and in the video you'll see options like Portrait to give it that tall, sleek look. Then you need to check the box that says Customize Media Style to unlock a bunch of great visual tweaks for your image cards. Thickness, you can adjust this slider to add a distinct border to your images. Corner radius, if you want a softer look, crank up the pixel count here to give your images beautifully rounded edges. Shadow, you can add a drop shadow effect which really helps your images pop off the background. Finally, scroll down just a bit more until you hit the navigation settings. This is all about how your customers actually interact with the slider. You can completely change the look of the clickers. For the arrow, you can select a specific design from the drop-down to match your brand style. Right below that, you can also change the little indicator dots at the bottom of the slider by adjusting the pagination style. Now go back over to the left sidebar, click on Color Blocks, and just play around with the color pickers for your background color, text color, buttons. To change the color of navigation, you have to change the color of text, so we need to change it to a dark green color to make sure everything contrasts perfectly. Next, head back over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the first slider item to upload your image. Once you hit Done, your image will pop into the first slot. And just repeat this exact same process for the remaining slider items, picking out all your favorite lifestyle shots until the carousel is fully stocked. All right, we're going to check the transitions and the image on the desktop view, and don't forget about the user using the mobile phone. Just click the little mobile phone icon to switch your preview screen. Scroll down to your new slider section to see how it adopts. Okay, click the Save button to save your changes, and that's it. We're done. And thanks for watching my video, and see you at the next one.